Hyderabad is located in the southern part of India, the state of Telangana. It is known for its rich history, culture, and cuisine. Hyderabad was once ruled by the Nizams, who were known for their wealth and opulence. Hyderabad has become a hub of trade and commerce and an international center for information technology. Let's know some top attraction and best time to visit Hyderabad. So please watch this video till the end. Ramoji Film City is a popular film studio and tourist destination located in Hyderabad, India. It was built in 1996 by Ramoji Rao, a film producer and media entrepreneur, and is spread over an area of around 2,000 acres, making it one of the largest film studios in the world. Hussain Sagar Lake is a large artificial lake located in the heart of Hyderabad. It was built in 1562 by Ibrahim Quli Qutb Shah, the fifth Sultan of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. To meet the water and irrigation needs of the city, the lake has a surface area of approximately 5.7 square kilometers. Golconda Fort is a historic fortress located in Hyderabad, India. It was originally built during the reign of the Kakatiya dynasty in the 13th century and later fortified by the Qutub Shahi dynasty in the 16th century. The fort is known for its impressive architecture. Charminar is an iconic monument located in the heart of the city of Hyderabad. The monument was built in 1591 by Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, the fifth Sultan of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, in commemoration of the end of a deadly plague epidemic that had ravaged the city. Everyone coming to the city definitely visits the Charminar. Baradari is a historical monument located in Hyderabad. It is a pavilion-like structure with 12 doorways and was originally built during the reign of Abdullah Qutb Shah in the 17th century. It is located on the banks of the Musi River. The Taramati Baradari was used for various purposes over the years, including as a music academy during the Nizams' rule. Today, it is a popular venue for cultural events and concerts. Birla Mandir, Hyderabad is a Hindu temple located in the city of Hyderabad. It is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwar, who is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu of Hinduism. The temple was built in 1976 by the Birla Foundation. It stands tall on a 280-feet high hillock. Located in the Ibrahim Qutb Shahi tombs are a group of small and big mosques and tombs built by the rulers of the Qutb Shah dynasty. The tombs are all built on a raised platform. The tombs are located in a large garden complex which is spread over 106 acres of land. Taj Falak Palace is a luxurious hotel. It was a royal residence of Nizam of Hyderabad, once the richest man in the world. The palace was originally built in 1893. Taj Falak Numal Palace is known for its grand architecture and historical significance. The statue of Equality is the second tallest sitting statue in the world and its height of 216 feet, located in Muchintal, Hyderabad. It is a statue of Sri Bhagavat Ramanujacharya, who worked relentlessly to promote equality. It was built to commemorate his 1000th birthday in 2019. Palace is a historic palace located in Hyderabad. The palace was built between 1750 and 1869 by the Nizams of Hyderabad, who were the rulers of the state of Hyderabad. These palaces are spread across a vast area and are known for their beautiful architecture. Chowmahalla Palace served as the official residence of the Nizams during their rule. The best time to visit Hyderabad is from October to February, when the weather is pleasant and comfortable for sightseeing and outdoor activities. If you prefer the monsoon season, you can plan your visit during July and September, when the city experiences moderate to heavy rainfall. Avoid visiting Hyderabad during the summer months, March to June, when the temperature can soar up to 45 degrees centigrade. Please leave a comment about Hyderabad and subscribe to the channel to stay with us.